IB Physics May 2025, Time Zone 2, SL Paper 1A, Question 13. A mass spring system oscillates with the time period T sub 1. Another identical spring is connected in parallel with the first spring as shown. The mass is unchanged. The time period of the oscillation for the two-spring system is T sub 2. What is T sub 2 over T sub 1? Alright, so for a mass spring system, the time period is equal to 2 pi times the square root of the mass divided by the spring constant. So let's compute that for the second system, the parallel spring system. So T sub 2 is going to equal 2 pi times, well, the mass is the same as m, but this time the spring constant is different. It is 2k. So when we have two identical springs, and assuming the spring constant is k, and they're connected in parallel, then their effective spring constant is just going to be the addition of the two, which is 2k. Right? The system is going to be much stiffer. It's going to oscillate faster. So now let's compute T sub 1. It is m divided by k. Everything is normal. So if we take the ratio, right, we just divide, the 2 pi's are going to cancel, and we're going to be left with the square root of 1 divided by 2, or in other words, 1 divided by the square root of 2. So the final answer is B.